Ecopsy provides the item request system to the users and it included in inventory menu. To access the item request form, click on the inventory menu and select the option item request. While we clicking on the item request option, it opens to item request search page. This form enables the user to send request for the transfer of goods from head office to branch or from branch to head office or from branch to branch. Now let's take a look at which all options are available in the item request search page. Here we can see a data table and it shows the details of already created item requests. It includes the date of item request created, reference number, sender name, receiver name, request mode, current status, total quantity and the amount of item request. There are two types of request mode are included here, which are sent and received, and the status may be of four types, which are pending, completed, rejected and deleted. The deleted item request types are highlighted with red color. On the left side of the page we have a color format here. Here the red color indicates with deleted item request. On the right side of the data table we have a view icon here. This view icon enables the user to access the details of item request view. Next to the view option is a more option. More options include different options on the basis of the request mode. For the send type of request mode, here we have more options and it includes edit option and delete option. Edit option enables the user to edit or make a change after created the item request. The second one is the delete option. This option enables the user to delete the created item request. If the particular item request is completed or rejected, then user cannot access these more options. Next, for the received type of item request, here we have more options and these more options include convert to stock transfer, convert to purchase order and reject option. The first one is the convert to stock transfer. This option is using for the purpose of convert the received item request to stock transfer. While we clicking on the option, it opens to stock transfer outward form. The second one is the convert to purchase order. With this option, user can convert the item request to purchase order, and while we clicking on the option, it opens to a purchase order form. The third one is the reject option. This option is using for the purpose of reject the received item request. These are the options included under more options. Next, on the top left side of the page, a filter option is available. With this filter option, user can filter or customize the item request data. User can filter the data by selecting a request mode, or by selecting a source, or by status, or by date. If the user selects the by date option, need to enter the starting date along with the end date to access the data. Then the data will access on the basis of the date we entered. Next to the filter option is a search bar. With this search bar, user can search a sender or receiver name and can access a particular type of data. Next is the add new item request option. This option is using for the purpose of create a new item request. While we clicking on the option, it opens to new item request form. Next one is the export option. With this export option, user can export the complete item request data to Excel format. Now let's take a look at how to create a new item request form. For that, click on the add new item request option. So this is the form of new item request. Here user need to enter the details to create a new item request. The first one is the reference number. Here the reference number of the item request form will be automatically appear and user cannot edit or change this number. It will be the continuation of the previous form. Next is the destination. Here user can select the required destination. While clicking on the select option, the list of available options will appear and user can select the required one. Next is the description. Here user can add description related with the item request if required. Next, here we have a date option. With this date option, user need to enter the required date. After enter the details, next is the product list. Here user can enter the required product name. After enter the product name, the created product list will be appear and user can select the required one. Next, user need to select the batch also. After we selected the product, the list of batch will be appear and user can select the required batch. Next is the quantity. Here user can enter the required quantity for the item request. When we select the product and batch, the rate will be automatically appear here, and after enter the quantity, the total amount of the quantity with rate will be available here. Similarly, user can add multiple products if required. On the right side of the product grid, here we have a delete icon to delete the unwanted or unnecessary items from the grid. After enter the all details, click on the save option to save this item request. Here we have clear and exit option to clear or cancel this form without saving. While we clicking on the save option, it redirects to item request search page and the saved details will be available here. So these are the details included under item request form. Thank you.